guys, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the final tour of the guest bedroom. It actually turned out super cute. I love this layout even more than I did in the last house. Even with like the smaller window, I still think it came out super charming and cozy and very inviting, which is really what I wanted to target. I'm going to go ahead and address what's going on right here with this wall. So as you can see, I set these three pieces up side by side because I was thinking about hanging them like here, and that was going to be the piece that was going to be on the wall. But I just have not decided, and I don't want to push it just for the sake of the video. I don't want to put holes in the walls if I don't know what I'm doing, because these would take up a total of 6 holes, 2 per piece. So yeah, and the other thing that I'm leaning towards is, instead of doing these, I was thinking about doing like 2 or 3 slim like mirrors on the wall. I think I saw something like that on Pinterest. If I can find a photo, I'll insert it here for you guys so you can kind of like see the visual. I just thought maybe adding the mirror would open up the space more, plus have light bounce off of it and make the room appear more light and airy, because yeah, there's just not that much lighting going on. I did have to change the light bulbs, which I actually put in my vlog, so if you watch my vlogs you would have seen it, but I had to switch to like daylight bulbs just to bring in some more light, because this window was truly doing nothing. So essentially that's basically why I have not committed to this wall yet, which is fine. And I have it set out very similar in a way to how it was in the last house. So I have the one nightstand on this side of the bed, then here's the bed, and then over here is the dresser with the mirror. But again, very similar to how it was in the last house, except the last house had a window right here. So because of that, there were some pieces of decor that just didn't fit in this space anymore, but I knew I had to bring back this little barn canvas or print. It's from Hobby Lobby, and when I stepped back, something that you didn't see on camera was that I added that piece to the top. It just seemed so flat, and I do like to have peaks. I don't know why. I feel like it adds something extra to the wall. So what I did was, because it's already using so much of the ceiling, I actually made it to where it was like touching the piece, so it looks like it's just one whole like decor piece, and it looks so beautiful. I don't know why I've never thought to kind of make 2 things touch each other, if that makes sense, like 2 pieces of decor on a wall, but I love how it turned out. And then here is the bedding. The bedding is very simple. I had to get some new inserts and a new duvet cover for the space. The other one, just, I actually hadn't really like finalized my bedding anyways in the last house. So all I did was I got the duvet insert and the cover from Amazon, and I got some Euro Sham pillows and some covers for those also from Amazon. The pillows though were from Walmart, and that's really the only difference from this bedding from the last house. This cozy pillow is so cute. I believe I got it from Hobby Lobby. It used to be in my living room, but there's no perfect place for it other than the guest bedroom, because it's just, it has that, and it's like the perfect word for such an inviting, calming space. And yeah, so then over here I added this little table, and then I had these flowers, this little floral arrangement. It was actually in the library in the last house. I love this arrangement of flowers. They're so beautiful. They're from Hobby Lobby. So I just decided to put it here. And I like that it's like not matchy-matchy with furniture and all that, so I like the look. And then I went with plain sheer curtains, just because I wanted to make sure I still got light in, because as you can see, this window like is all the way into this wall, so only so much of the rod would be over there, meaning that the curtain, if I got anything thicker, it was going to cover up the window anyway. So yeah, so you can see it's covering up the window, and that's not really how I like to hang stuff. I like to frame the window instead of cover the window. However, there's nothing wrong with covering your window with curtains even like this, because there's still that like very charming like aspect to covering a window. It just really kind of depends on what you're doing with your window, what you want out of it. Are you, you know, just wanting to frame it? Are you wanting privacy? Are you wanting to block heat, light? Like all of those things you should definitely take into consideration. Over on this side, we have the dresser with the mirror, and I have it exactly how I had it at the last house. I mean, like pretty much one-to-one. Had all of the candles here, the sign, the lamp, and then even these 3 photos were exactly like they were. I think these 2 were like leveled, but I like how I did it this way instead. It just looks a little bit more charming. I don't know what words to use, but it just looks right. And I got these all like separately. I believe this is like Hobby Lobby. I think this is Hobby Lobby too, but this one I got online, and I don't know where. There's only one of them, so I don't think I can link it. But I just love all the greens and the landscapes of it. It's flowing with the greenery and the barns. It's just, you know, very calming outdoor space is kind of what I'm going for. And then just to show you guys up close, so these candlestick holders are from Hobby Lobby, the candles are from Amazon, and then the Let's Get Cozy sign. It's perfect again because we've got cozy there and cozy here, and then this really cute wicker like lamp, which I forget where I got this, but I know it's in the original decorate video, just in case like you have to know. It's in that video. So then when you turn around this way, we get this side of the room. So we've got the closet there, and then I did get the TV in, which I think you guys saw me set up. And this is Micah's old TV stand. She did not want it anymore. She has the one that's in the media room, the one with the little fireplace. That's the one that she has in her room. So this one I repurposed in this room, and I just added some green because I felt like whenever I do get this wall completed, I feel like it's going to be enough on the wall. So I didn't want to do anything here, so I knew that I needed to take advantage of like this space here, and then with the little candles it will add for extra cozy ambiance. And then I pulled this chair. This was actually in my bedroom, but I think I'm styling my bedroom a bit differently, and I feel like this is the perfect spot for it because this is a guest bedroom. Not really gonna access the closet that much, so, and it's actually jam-packed, so can't even use it right now, but talk about that later. And then I added this photo here. I just thought the wall needed at least something, and this photo is also from Hobby Lobby, and it actually was in my laundry room at the last house. So when I back up, you can just kind of see that picture there. Yeah, I think without it, it just would have made it look like the room wasn't completely finished. I did contemplate whether or not I wanted to put the frame over these. This is throughout most of the house, just because the way they had it set up is so you can mount your TV on the wall. But I'm actually having guests coming right in a couple days from me filming this video. Micah's friends are coming into town, the ones that always go on vacation with us. They've been going on vacation with us for years and years and years, and they're coming into town, so the boys will sleep in this room. So essentially, I don't think we're only going to be here like a day before we leave for our other vacation spot, basically, so they're not going to need this closet, so it's a mess. But my brother and sister-in-law are coming soon as well, so before they come, I will clean this out so that they can hang anything that they want to hang, but then they'll also have drawer space there. So this is the finished space for now, until I can decide what I'm gonna do with that back wall. But it turned out just honestly more than I could have even dreamed of, even though I had 99% of everything. The only new things that I got are the pillows, the duvet, and the TV, because there was not a TV in the guest bedroom in the last house. So, but there is a TV in this space now, and I think it's perfect. So that's it. That's the guest bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.